What's going on, it's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the Google Pixel 8. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified when any of my new videos go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, I do want to quickly talk about the pricing of the Pixel 8. So over here in the United Kingdom, the 128GB storage model will start off at £699, and there is also a 256GB storage option for £759. It's also available in 4 different colours: mint, hazel, obsidian and rose, although you're not able to get 256GB of storage in the mint colour. And over in the United States, it starts off at $699 for the 128GB storage model, and the 256GB storage option will set you back $759. But that's enough talking about the pricing. Let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included with the Pixel 8. So turning the box over, you'll notice that there are some pull tabs on the left and right side. Now pulling away at these and lifting away the lid reveals the Pixel 8 sat atop. Now I must admit I wasn't too keen on the rose colour, but that's most likely because I'm still loving the blue bay coloured Pixel 8 Pro. But placing the smartphone to a side, we get our first look at what other items come included. The first of these is our SIM card ejection tool, which is then followed up by a mini book, which has a plethora of information from health and safety and warranty information all the way down to your regulatory details. We then get a USB-C to USB-A adapter included in the box. Now this is quite shocking as it's something that we don't normally see with most smartphones. And then we have our USB-C to USB-C cable. Now this cable has an approximate length of around 1 meter and can be used to charge and sync across any data. And then we have the Pixel 8 itself. So that'll be it for today's video. Of course, if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe, smacking that bell icon to be notified when any of my new videos go live. Of course, if you've got any questions with anything you've seen in today's video, or if there is anything in particular that you would like to see tested on this smartphone, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media. I'll leave that link down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.